Welcome back. Now that your account and exchange are ready, we will teach you how to claim your 7-day free trial, also known as the B-Pass. All new users are entitled to enjoy a 7-day B-Pass to experience our automated trading. Here is how you claim it. Open the Buddy Mini app in your Telegram. Look for the free trial button and click it. You will be redirected to the Buddy Verify bot. Click Start and follow the instructions to enter your details. Once submitted, our admin team will verify your details. You will receive a notification in Telegram once it's approved. Once approved, simply copy the special code provided in the message. Now, let's go back to the Buddy app to activate it. Step 1. Open the Buddy app and go to the Setting and Access to your profile page. Step 2. Tap the B-Pass activation button. Step 3. Paste your special activation code here and click Active. Your B-Pass will activate immediately. To check your status, go back to your profile page. You will now see the expiry date of your active B-Pass displayed there. Remember, each code can only be used once, and it takes effect immediately. Make sure you are logged into the correct account before you click Confirm. Once your trial ends, you will need to purchase B-Points to keep your bot running. Check out our next video to learn exactly what B-Points are and how to purchase them. Thanks for watching.